In today's video, I will walk you through how to use layer masks in Adobe Photoshop. In Photoshop, a layer mask allows you to selectively control or modify the opacity of a layer. Instead of using the eraser tool that permanently deletes pixels, layer masks let you work non-destructively by hiding or bringing back pixels at any time. The eraser tool deletes, while a layer mask hides or unhides. For this example, there are two layers. One is a green solid color layer with text on it, and the other is a flower photo. You can add a mask to any layer by clicking the layer mask icon. When the layer mask is white, the image on that layer has no transparency. You can press Ctrl and I to invert the mask from white to black. Once the mask becomes black, the flower image becomes invisible or fully transparent. Any shade of gray on a layer mask will partially hide the layer. For example, if you use a black brush set to 50% opacity, the areas you paint over will become semi-transparent. If you want to bring back hidden areas on the mask, switch to a white brush and paint over those sections. Most of the time you will use black to hide parts of the layer and white to reveal them again. In this example, the rectangle marquee tool is used to create a selection directly on the layer mask, and then the selected area is filled with black. A layer mask is automatically linked to its layer using the chain icon between them. If you try to move the image, both the image and the mask will move together. To move or transform the image and the mask separately, click the chain icon to disable the link. Once the link is disabled, the mask can be moved independently and it will update in real time even while rotating or scaling. After making the adjustment, you can click the chain icon again to relink the mask and the layer. A layer mask is also created automatically when you add a new adjustment layer. Instead of applying the same adjustment layer to multiple layers individually, you can place those layers into a group and apply a single layer mask to the entire group. This makes the process easier to manage and keeps everything organized. If you like this video, you may enjoy another one on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And I'll see you in the next video.